Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to your database, to your MySQL database using PHP. Make sure you subscribe to my videos because I'm always sharing very vital short videos for you to learn. Well, ensure that you have the local host or the server on your machine installed. It can either be Xampp server or a Xampp server. And so for me on my machine I have Xampp server I'm going to use. And also ensure you have plain text editor. You may be like Notepad, plain Notepad++, or you have Dreamweaver to help you write the codes. So here we are. I will get to my start menu and then look for Xampp. I'll type Xampp and then I launch the control panel. I'll launch the control panel. Okay, so my control panel, when it launches, I'll have to start the Apache and then also start the MySQL. And then thereafter, I'll have to run my admin of MySQL. Okay, so my PhpMyAdmin is loading, and when it loads, here I'm already in my server, localhost server on my machine. I'll create a new database. So I can create a new by clicking on new, or I click on this database. So I can click on new, and my database here will be a test database. We're going to test database and then create. So my database has been created without any table. I'm just testing how to connect to this database. Okay, so thereafter I will minimize this and then I come and launch. I'm going to use my Dreamweaver. Launch my Dreamweaver. Alright, when it launches, this is my first page of the Dreamweaver. The window displays like this. Create a new HTML, new called Fusion, new called PHP. So I'm supposed to pick PHP. So I double click on PHP. And here it is. So within the section of the body, create space. And then I create the PHP codes. PHP, and then okay, and close PHP. So within the PHP, I'm going to have the $sign. Of course, I'm going to have the user. Okay, and my user for this case, it's terminate this to be root. I put root, or the username. Sometimes people call it username or user. And then the next is the password, which I can easily call pass. And then I say okay, pass is assigned to nothing, so I assign it to nothing for this case. And then later I have to include database. Okay, so what is our database? Terminate our database. When I check my database, you have to ensure that the name you're putting that side, it's the same name. So this name is the testdb. So I get back and put testdb. Okay, and then move down. Alright, so I have to write my SQL statement, which will connect me to the database which I've created in my local server. Okay, so my $sign db, okay, is equal to new MySQL Lite. I'm going to use MySQL Lite. I'll open the brackets and put I'll open quotes and say okay, localhost. So when I put localhost, I can easily put either localhost as a word, or I put an IP address, which is 127.0.0.1. Can also work the same way like localhost. So So there I put a comma, and then I'll have to put all what I had assigned up there, the user, the password, and the database. So the $, I'll call them here, user, okay, pass, okay, and then DB. So after this, I have to give it, or it dies. If in case it does not connect, it should die and give me this statement, give me the response, so that I can be able to troubleshoot. Unable to connect, unable to connect, and then I terminate. Or if it is able to connect, then it should give me a statement, connected successfully. Connected successfully. Then you terminate this. Okay, so after terminating, you go to file, save as, we are saving this, and you go to your C, which is local disk C. You go to Xampp, which is your server. If you have Wamp, of course you'll go to Wamp. Then you get to the htdocs, and then I have to create a folder here, and this folder I can call it connect. Okay, then I open the folder, and I can call this Ryan.php. So save as type, it's all files, and say okay, save. So it has been saved as Ryan.php. So I have to try and see if truly I'm able to connect successfully. So this is it. So I say okay, localhost /connect /Ryan/php. Wow, it can connect successfully. That means I've successfully connected my PHP codes with my database successfully. Let's just try to put a password and see what happens. If we, instead of nothing, we put maybe Robert as our password and save, file and save, and then return. My browser is here. Let me refresh. Wow, it gives us a construct denial of the user root, that it dies as onto the database, that there is nothing like that in the database. So I can remove the password. Go back and remove the password, and save. Okay, and then refresh. So it connects successfully. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.